this is continuation of our Ottakshara series. In the beginning, when I was explaining the consonant symbols, the Ottakshara symbols for all the consonants, I had mentioned that Ra has two symbols. One symbol is like this, which is like a half moon, and the second symbol is like this. This symbol has a name called as the Arka Ottu. This is a symbol which has a name. This symbol doesn't have a name. So Ra is the only consonant which has two symbols. So one is this and one is this symbol, Arka Ottu symbol. So now we have to understand when which symbol has to be used. So for that, let us take an example of the word Karya. So see how I am pronouncing it. I am pronouncing Ka, then I am pronouncing R, and then only I am pronouncing Ya. I am skipping this. I am pronouncing after Ka this alphabet and then I am pronouncing Ya. Karya. So when you split, you can see here Ka, R and Ya. Y plus A will give you Ya. So this is the consonant Ya. So if you notice, after R sound, you are pronouncing Ya. And what is Ya? Ya is a consonant. So whenever a consonant follows the sound R, then we use the Arka Ottu symbol. So the way when you read or see a word having Arka Ottu, the order in which you read and the order in which it is written differs. So when you are writing, the order to write is Ka, Ya and then R. Okay? R comes after the consonant. When you write Ra, the Arka Ottu symbol is coming after the consonant. So this is how you write it. But when you read, you have to read the sound of this first. So you will say it as Ka, R, Ya. Okay? Even though it is written as Ka, Ya and then the Arka Ottu symbol, for writing you have to follow this order. But when you read, you have to read Ka, then R and Ya. So this is the order in which you write and read. So here, when using Arka Ottu, the order for writing, the order for reading differs. Now let's take another example. This is Vajra. So how we will pronounce it? Vajra. This is similar to how we pronounce the usual Ottakshara. What is the rule you have to follow? So you have a main consonant and you have a secondary consonant. So this is the main consonant and this is the secondary consonant. So what is the rule? The main consonant, you always have to pronounce it in its root form. So you will not pronounce it as Ja. You will just say J. Okay? Plus. Then R. Plus A. So you will get it like this. J. Ra. Okay? So what is happening here? A is what? A is a vowel. A vowel is following the sound R. Right? The vowel A is following the sound R. So in that case, you have to use the half moon symbol. So if a consonant follows the sound R, then you have to use the Arka Ottu. And if a vowel or a swara follows the sound of Ra, then you have to use the half moon symbol. And the way you read is similar to how you read words with Ottakshara. Main consonant, read it in its root form. Second consonant, read it as a whole consonant. In case there is any Gunita Akshara, that will get added to the secondary consonant. So this word you will read it as Vajra. Vajra. And here A is following Ra. That is why you have to use the half moon symbol. So now let us try reading a few words having both Arka Ottu and the normal half moon symbol. So let me just scroll down. Okay, so here this one has the same half moon symbol. So Purrane, 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 Karrane, Karrane, Sarrane, 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 Jarrane, Jarrane. So these are all the words having the half moon symbol. Now let us look at this word. So you will read Su, and since Arka Otu has come, you have to read Ra first. So Su, R, Ya, Surya. Then Dha, R, Ma, Dharma. Pu, R, Va, Purva. Cha, R, Che, Charche. And here, if you see, this word has both Arka Ottu and the normal half moon symbol. So, how do we read it? Purna. Okay, Purna Chandra. This will be read as Dra. Purna Chandra. Okay, and we will see a few more words here. So this is again Arka Ottu. So always read the Ra sound first before the Ya. Surya, Surya. Then Ka, R, Na, Taka, Karnataka. Then Su, this is Suvarna. Su, Ba, R, Na, Suvarna. Ni, Sa, R, Ga, Nisarga. Ga, R, Ja, Ne, Garjane. This word we will leave it for now because this has Vijati Ottakshara which I have not explained yet. Varsha, Varsha. Darshana, Darshana. Kirti, Kirti, Kirti. Ashraya. Okay, then yes, all these we can do once we have done the Vijati Ottaksharas. So I hope it is clear. So whenever Arka Ottu comes, that has to be read first. The R sound has to come before the consonant, and when this is how to read. But when I give like dictation or when you are supposed to write a word without seeing, then remember, then think. After R sound, what is coming? Whether it's a consonant or a vowel. If it is a consonant, then remember to write Arka Ottu. If it's a vowel, then you have to write the half moon symbol. So this is the difference between Arka Ottu and the half moon symbol. Half moon symbol, you will use it whenever the vowel sound follows the sound of Ra. R, that is. And you will use the consonant whenever the sound of the consonant follows the sound of R. Like for example, Kar, Ya. After R, Ya sound you're getting, and Ya is a consonant. So this is the difference of using Arka Ottu and half moon symbol.